Kuyasetshenzwa eWomen's League. Nibonile omama bakhona ukuza ama testimony maningi, nibonile omama bazile bazokhona ukuletha amakhabishi and baze basicela ukuthi we must adopt this school. So siyacela nani lesikolo isethu sonke nani including because niyabala ekhaya. Mona i5 rand 10 rand ikhabishi, thenga ikhabishi uze nalo la ekhaya nizobheka ingane nisize la nikhona ukusiza khona. Before sizothatha isifungo emkhontweni momusha uthatha isifungo. Before sizofika lapho ngithanda nje ukuxolisa on behalf of iNational. Messi welcome abantu abasha, omama abasha. We give them t-shirts. Namhlanje ama t-shirt awekho but askisi, I'm sorry. Kungcono ngokutshela iqiniso mama then ukuthi ngokukhohlisa. Ama t-shirt asizanga nawo namhlanje. But however, I promise you, President siyabathembisa. Sizobuya sizonikeza ama t-shirt. I-organizer ye-region which is uVuvu, Comrade Vuvu, sicela uphakame. Ngicela uzoma ngaphambili. I-regional organizer ama t-shirt azophiwa uComrade Tisetso, i-provincial organizer. Bobabili will then make a day beze bazomnikeza ama t-shirt. Ngiyanithembisa and futhi siyaxolisa si-Women's League asikwenzi lokho but today isikhathi besingekho and ama t-shirt phela mowa order thatha isikhathi angisho. So siwalindile nathi sicela nisixoleleni lapho. Siyacela but ama t-shirt definitely we will bring them. National provincial organizer and regional organizer together they'll work hand in hand ama t-shirt abekhona. Comrade T next week. Okay, in 2 weeks time. Ngiyacela so we'll make sure ngiyabona nibaningi kanjani and niyawadinga ama t-shirt. Ngiyabona abanye omama abanawo. So ngiyacela sixoleleni iphutha but sizolirectify ngisho bomama. Okay, thank you siyabonga Comrade T, Comrade Vuvu siyabonga. Send welcome. Siyanthanda. Nangu president wenu. So niphatha kahle. Nani niziphathe kahle kumkhonto wesizwe women's. Ngicela nibashayele izandla bakwethu. Ningangikwatela hayibo kuningi sisebenza sonke kanti kumkhontweni. Let's work together. All right. Isifungo ke manje sisebenza kanje. Ngizokhuluma lento engikhulumayo you are going to repeat it after me yangisho. Phela mongena endaweni kumele uphakamise isandla saka president esika right. Isandla sika right senza isifungo manje. So ngizozama ukuba yebo bayazibopha. Yes ayibopha. Mengithi ayilinda mkhonto and ngicela nabakhona omama sonke sosithatha isifungo noma nihleli lapho just to remind yourselves ukuthi i-oath yakomkhonto wesizwe ithini. It's very important ukuthi sizikhumbuzeni sihleli la sazi. Okay, ngizoba sino president. Hayi bathi ngibesilongo banyagijima. Okay. Mengithi ngibiza igama lami wena ubiza elakho. All right? Okay. Linda Mkhonto voluntarily join Umkhonto Wesizwe Party as an individual who is committed to bind by and uphold its constitution, values, objectives, principles, and discipline. I submit that I will never be involved in divisive and fractional activities and programs that seek to undermine the unity and discipline of the organization. I vow to not associate with external forces that seek to destroy and undermine the unity of the organization. I will tirelessly work to realize all the aims and objectives. I join the Mkhonto weSizwe Party with full knowledge and understanding that the National High Command and national officials have the right to terminate my membership at any given point for political, ideological, and organizational reasons and purposes. I joined the MK Party with full knowledge that I am not entitled to any positions of responsibilities in the organization and will always abide by and respect the decisions of the national leadership. I commit to serve the people of South Africa, the African continent, and the world with humility and dedication. I am not joining the MK Party for personal gains and self-enrichment, but to advance. I consider myself especially bound by the disciplinary code of the MK Party. I promise not to take the organization to court unless all internal remedies have been executed. Bomama, we welcome you to Mkhonto weSizwe Women's League. Siyabonga bomama, saphinda futhi sithi siyanithanda, asisebenzeni sonke kuma society wethu, kuma ward wethu. Siyabonga bomama, thank you. Siyabonga.